Hello and welcome. My name is Rebecca Christens, and we're diving into an overview of electronic health records, commonly called EHRs, its influence and its impact. We will take a look at how EHRs are fundamentally reshaping healthcare, making it smarter, more efficient, and more connected. Here's our roadmap. By the end of this presentation, the audience will be able to describe the historical background and current state of electronic health records, identify at least 3 key benefits of EHRs, enhancing their understanding of its positive impact on healthcare, critically analyze at least 3 challenges associated with EHRs, gaining a nuanced understanding of its limitations, evaluate considerations related to a specific issue within the EHR landscape, forming a judgment on its significance and impact, and apply the understanding of a specific EHR issue to real-world healthcare practices and synthesize this information to predict future implications. Let's kick things off with some context. Electronic health records have evolved from simple digital tools for patient data to complex interconnected ecosystems. We're talking about a healthcare universe that is digitized and also intelligent. EHRs are more than just digitized medical files. They're a cornerstone of modern healthcare informatics. EHRs have revolutionized healthcare by offering a digitized real-time patient information system that is accessible to authorized users. Initially propelled by legislative acts such as the HITECH Act of 2009, EHRs have evolved to not only streamline clinical documentation, but also impact the quality of care, patient-provider interactions, and healthcare economics. With stages of adoption and implementation rigorously tracked by organizations such as HIMSS, EHRs have reached a point where they are considered an entry-level competency for healthcare professionals. Since 2017, and still sustained, over 96% of acute care hospitals in the U.S. have adopted certified EHR systems. Mandated by legislation, certified EHRs must meet standard functional definitions, including components such as health information and data, results management, and decision support. These systems are continually tested and updated to meet the diverse needs of healthcare providers and patients. Despite the complexity and ongoing evolution, EHRs aim to improve patient safety, streamline administrative processes, and facilitate electronic communication and data sharing. Now let's talk about the good stuff, the benefits. Imagine a healthcare system where patient care is hyper-personalized, where data flows, and where costs are not a barrier but a bridge to better care. First up on our list of benefits is what it's all about in healthcare: improved patient care. EHRs store a patient's entire medical history, from allergies to medications, diagnostic imaging reports, and notes from other healthcare providers, making it easier for healthcare providers to make informed decisions. Consider a patient with a complex medical history. With EHRs, a provider can instantly access patient diagnosis and treatments, making it easier to avoid harmful drug interactions or redundant testing. Next up is enhanced data accessibility. EHRs are not just about dormant digital files in a computer system waiting to be viewed. They are live, dynamic databases that can be accessed and updated in real time from multiple locations. Consider emergency situations where every second counts. EHRs allow instant access to critical health information, enabling prompt and more accurate interventions, unlike the alternative of waiting for faxed documents or couriered files. Next, one of the most compelling advantages of EHRs is their potential to significantly reduce healthcare cost. How do EHRs achieve this? By streamlining administrative processes, reducing the likelihood of medical errors, and even flagging potential issues that could lead to costly interventions down the line. Think about the costs associated with overtesting or preventable hospital readmissions. EHRs can flag these issues, helping healthcare providers avoid unnecessary expenses and focus resources where they are most needed. Every innovation has its issues. Let's confront the challenges head-on, from data security to the human element. Let's take a look at 3 of the major ones. First on our list is data security. While EHRs offer unprecedented access to medical information, this accessibility also presents challenges. The more places data can be accessed from, the more opportunities there are for unauthorized access. And healthcare data is not just any data, it's some of the most sensitive and personal information that exists. Think about the high-profile data breaches that have hit healthcare institutions. These incidents expose sensitive patient data and stand to erode the trust in EHR systems and have legal repercussions. Next, let's talk about the user experience and the human element of EHRs. They're designed to be user-friendly, but the reality is that they often require a learning curve, and that can vary depending on the user's tech savviness, their role in healthcare, and previous experience. Why is this a challenge? Because healthcare is a high-stakes environment where even a small user error can have a ripple effect, leading to incorrect diagnoses, improper treatment plans, or even legal complications. Consider a healthcare provider who is not fully trained on the EHR system. Mistakes like incorrect data entry can have serious consequences, ranging again from the incorrect diagnoses to improper treatment plans or actions. We also have the challenge of system interoperability. While EHRs have this great potential to centralize data, they're not all universally compatible, meaning data may not be easily transferable from one system to another, creating significant barriers. This can create gaps in patient care and make data sharing more cumbersome. Because healthcare is increasingly collaborative and often involves multiple providers across different settings, now, ineffective data sharing can result in incomplete or delayed care, affecting patient outcomes. Imagine a patient from one healthcare provider to another. If the EHR systems are not compatible, transferring that patient's medical history can become a complex and time-consuming task. Building on the challenge of data security, let's dive into the issue of patient data privacy, which includes consent management. This topic is an intertwined web of technology, legal frameworks, and ethical obligations. The issue revolves around how patient data is stored, accessed, and shared within the EHR system, and who has the authority to consent to such actions. It's a balance between confidentiality, which keeps health information private, and privacy, the patient's right to control over who can see this information. Why does it matter? Because inadequate privacy measures can lead to unauthorized access, identity theft, and of course legal repercussions. Moreover, unclear or complicated consent processes can create barriers to effective healthcare delivery and management. So understanding these principles empowers not only healthcare professionals, but patients to be able to participate more actively in their care. Patient data confidentiality and privacy is woven directly into healthcare practice. It's more than a technical concern. It's about the trust that exists between patients and their healthcare team. Healthcare professionals have a dual role of responsibility of healthcare delivery and ethical management of patient health information. A breach in data security can erode a patient's trust. Such a breach jeopardizes patient well-being and can have legal ramifications. That also impacts the reputation of the healthcare institution involved. The quality of care is also linked to how well patient data is managed. Good data management is a win-win for everyone. It not only safeguards patient well-being, but also enhances the quality of care. Accurate and secure data can lead to precise diagnoses, effective treatment plans, and ultimately happier and healthier patients. Consider a scenario in which a healthcare professional is not adequately trained on the privacy and security features of their EHR system. A single mistake, such as unauthorized data sharing or incorrect data entry, can have a ripple effect that jeopardizes the well-being of the patient. As we look to the future, the issue of patient data privacy becomes even more intricate with the evolution of new technologies and healthcare delivery models that augment EHRs. The integration of cutting-edge tools such as telemedicine, wearable health devices, and artificial intelligence will necessitate even more robust data privacy measures. These technologies will rely on seamless, secure, and consented data sharing to function effectively. Current regulations, for example HIPAA, provides a good foundation, but they will need to evolve to address the complexities introduced by these emerging technologies. For example, AI algorithms used for diagnostics will require access to large data sets while still respecting individual privacy. Potential solutions include blockchain technology, AI for real-time consent management. This would allow for more dynamic consent models that can adapt to different healthcare scenarios. Workflow adjustments may be needed in healthcare settings to seamlessly integrate these new technologies while maintaining data privacy and security. The bottom line is the future of healthcare is not just about navigating challenges. It's about leveraging technological advancements to improve patient care and outcomes. Addressing these issues proactively will help mitigate risks and also pave the way for groundbreaking innovations in healthcare. Let's summarize. Electronic health records have revolutionized healthcare by digitizing patient information, making it easily accessible and manageable for healthcare providers. They offer improved patient care through comprehensive medical histories, enhanced data accessibility for timely interventions, and significant cost reductions. Despite these benefits, EHRs face issues such as data security risks, a steep learning curve affecting user experience, and system interoperability challenges that can create gaps in patient care. The issue of patient data privacy is integral to healthcare practice, affecting both the trust between patients and providers and the quality of care delivered. As healthcare evolves with the integration of technologies like AI and telemedicine, the complexities around data privacy and consent management will also grow, necessitating updated regulations and innovative solutions. Thank you so much for watching. Here are my references.